In this video, we will tell you what happens if you eat garlic every day for a month, how it affects the cardiovascular system, blood pressure, cholesterol levels, immunity, digestion, liver and kidney function, sugar levels and diabetes, weight management, bones and joints, cancer development, and much more. We'll also cover contraindications to garlic consumption, give tips on how to maximize the benefits, and indicate a safe daily allowance for adults and children. We will answer an interesting question: who lives longer, those who love garlic or those who ignore it? This video will be extremely informative and helpful. So, if you want to become a master of your health, click like, and let's get started. Foods can be medicines too, and a classic example of this is garlic, which has been used since time immemorial to treat a wide variety of diseases. Nowadays, modern science backs up numerous claims about the health benefits of garlic. Garlic contains phytochemicals, including allicin and sulfur organic compounds. These compounds are responsible for the plant's numerous health benefits. For example, daily garlic consumption has been found to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by addressing several factors at once, including high cholesterol, blood sugar, and blood pressure. Does it seem too good to be true? You'd be surprised at how much of an impact this simple eating habit will have on your life. Number 1. Decreased incidence of disease. One great reason to add garlic to your dinner tonight is its ability to strengthen your immune system. It does this by playing an active role in the body's defense mechanisms in several ways. First, the allicin contained in garlic has antibacterial properties. Second, garlic also contains antiviral substances that can work in two ways. First, to block viruses from entering cells, and second, to boost the immune response to effectively fight off potential invaders. These things help keep the immune system strong and healthy. In some cases, eating garlic daily can help prevent and reduce the severity of flu and colds. Number 2. Reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the underlying cause of many chronic diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and arthritis. Eating garlic daily may help curb the activity of certain inflammatory proteins. In a randomized study involving 70 women, the group that took 1,000 milligrams of garlic daily for 8 weeks had decreased inflammatory markers, fatigue and pain, and joint tenderness compared to the group that took a placebo. Number 3. Improved blood pressure. A clove or two of garlic a day may just keep the cardiologist away. Cardiovascular diseases like heart attack and stroke are the biggest killers in the world, and high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of these diseases. Fortunately, human studies have shown that eating garlic has a marked effect on lowering blood pressure in people with hypertension. In one study, taking 600 to 1,500 milligrams of aged garlic extract was as effective at lowering blood pressure over 24 weeks as taking atenolol. Garlic stimulates the synthesis of nitric oxide, which dilates blood vessels and inhibits angiotensin-converting enzyme, ACE, activity. Inhibiting ACE activity helps relax blood vessels, potentially maintaining healthy blood flow and blood pressure. While we're on the subject of cardiovascular disease, eating garlic daily can also minimize other risk factors for heart disease, such as high cholesterol. Learn how to do just that. Number 4. Lowering cholesterol levels. Another way that garlic is good for the heart is by improving cholesterol levels. To be specific, garlic can lower total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol, by about 10 to 15%. While more research is needed to determine the relationship between garlic consumption and cholesterol levels, some studies have concluded that garlic supplements are indeed effective in lowering total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels. This is great news since both of these are risk factors for cardiovascular disease. While garlic appears to lower LDL levels, however, it does not significantly affect HDL or good cholesterol levels. In addition, high triglyceride levels are another risk factor, but unfortunately garlic does not seem to have a significant effect on it. Number 5. Lowering blood sugar levels. Taking garlic orally is known to lower premeal blood sugar levels in people with or without diabetes. Although this happens in small amounts, it is enough to be effective for diabetic patients, especially if taken for 3 months or more. Additionally, it has been found that raw garlic may also reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. This is particularly interesting since diabetes is associated with an increased risk of inflammation caused by atherosclerosis. In addition, garlic has vitamins B6 and C, with B6 being involved in carbohydrate metabolism and C in maintaining blood sugar levels. On the other hand, there is no definitive evidence that garlic lowers blood sugar levels after a meal. Want to boost your athletic performance? Try eating garlic every day for a month. Number 6. Physical performance enhancement. Before performance-enhancing supplements, garlic was one of the first natural performance-enhancing substances. In fact, it dates back to ancient times when it was used to reduce fatigue and increase the physical performance of workers. It was most prominent during ancient Greek times when it was given to Olympic athletes. Studies on rodents have shown that garlic does improve physical performance, but only a few studies have been done on humans. People with heart disease who took garlic oil for 6 weeks had a 12% decrease in heart rate and improved performance. Number 7. Reduction of body toxicity. When consumed in high doses, garlic can protect your organs from heavy metal toxin damage due to the sulfur compounds it contains. A study conducted on employees of an automobile battery factory showed that their lead levels decreased by 19%. In addition, garlic reduced a number of clinical signs of toxicity, such as high blood pressure and headaches. What's more, 3 doses of garlic a day may even outperform the drug D-penicillamine in reducing symptoms. While this isn't the most well-known benefit of garlic, it's still worth mentioning. Next, we will talk about how garlic can help with bone mass loss. Number 8. Improve bone health. Studies on the effects of garlic on bone mass loss have not been done on humans. However, studies on rodents have shown that it can reduce bone mass loss by increasing estrogen levels in females. According to a study conducted on menopausal women, consuming a daily dose of dried garlic equal to 2 grams of raw garlic significantly reduced a marker of estrogen deficiency. This means that this supplement may have a positive effect on bone health in women. Number 9. Reducing the risk of infections. Garlic is widely known for its ability to protect against bacteria, viruses, fungi, and even parasites. One study found that allicin, the active ingredient in fresh crushed garlic, has antiviral properties and is effective against several types of bacteria. In addition, due to garlic's antifungal properties, it can fight yeast infections. As for its anti-parasitic action, it can help fight major intestinal parasites such as Giardia. Other studies have shown that allicin suppresses the growth of methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus (MRSA) bacteria, which can cause infections on various parts of the body. Better skin health. Number 10. Skin improvement. If you eat garlic every day for a month, you might notice that your skin will clear up. This is all thanks to the plant's antibacterial properties and antioxidants that kill acne-causing bacteria. Ideally, it is better to rub raw garlic on your acne to get faster results. However, use it with caution as it can cause a burning sensation on the skin. Now, pay attention. What are the contraindications to consuming garlic? Consumption of garlic can have several contraindications. 1. Allergies. Some people may be allergic to garlic. This can manifest as skin rashes, itching, swelling, or even anaphylactic shock in those with severe allergies. 2. Gastric problems. Garlic consumption can irritate the gastrointestinal tract in some people, which can lead to symptoms such as heartburn, gas, bloating, diarrhea, or nausea. 3. Drug interactions. Garlic may interact with certain medications, especially those that tonify the blood, such as aspirin or warfarin, and with blood pressure-lowering drugs. 4. Bleeding disorders. People with blood clotting disorders or a predisposition to bleeding should consume garlic with caution or consult a physician. 5. Effect on breath odor. Consuming large amounts of garlic can cause bad breath and affect social perception. If you have any medical conditions or are taking medications, it is important to consult your doctor. Now that we've covered the benefits and harms of daily garlic consumption, many of you may be wondering, what are the recommended garlic intake rates for children, teens, and adults? Recommended garlic consumption rates can vary depending on a person's age and overall health. Here are the general recommendations. 1. For children, garlic is often introduced into the diet after the breastfeeding period has ended and complementary foods have begun. usually around 6 months of age. It is recommended that young children be offered garlic as part of their meals, such as adding it to mashed vegetables or soups. Of course, children should be offered garlic in moderation to avoid the risk of allergic reactions. 2. Teenagers can generally be offered more garlic, especially if they have an active lifestyle and need extra immune support. However, the amount of garlic in a teen's diet should be monitored to avoid possible stomach problems and drug interactions. 3. Garlic consumption recommendations for adults may vary depending on their overall health and needs. It is generally recommended to consume 1/2 to 1 clove of garlic per day, which is 3 to 6 grams of garlic. However, some people choose to consume garlic in the form of supplements or extracts for convenience. It is important to remember that these recommendations are general and each person is unique. Did you know that the magnitude of some of the health benefits of garlic depends on whether it is consumed raw or cooked? Let's discuss this in more detail here. Raw or cooked garlic, which is better? Maximizing the benefits of garlic can sometimes be a bit tricky. For example, the study on the positive effects of garlic on immunity is about raw and cooked garlic, not supplements. In addition, heating garlic or adding it to a recipe can change the pH balance of the root vegetable. Ideally, after chopping, crushing, or slicing garlic, you should let it stand. The reason is that the enzymes in allicin, the most active compound in garlic, need a few minutes to take effect. So yes, this means that consuming raw garlic will do you the most good. However, you can cook it if that's how you feel most comfortable consuming garlic. When cooking garlic, do not heat it above 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. High temperatures destroy the allicin. So if you are using garlic as an ingredient in a recipe, add it only after you are almost done cooking. Now that you have seen how beneficial daily garlic consumption can be for your health, let's answer the last question. Who lives longer, those who love garlic or those who ignore it? The study of the effect of garlic consumption on longevity involves many factors such as lifestyle, genetics, and diet in general. Some studies suggest that garlic may have favorable effects on heart health and the immune system, which in turn may contribute to increased longevity. However, we cannot say with certainty that garlic consumption is the determining factor. So the answer to your question is not so simple. It's more of an individual choice and a combination of different factors. More information on this topic can be found at the links in the description below this video and on our channel. Subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. Please like and share this video with your friends. Thanks to our sponsors for their support. I eagerly await your comments and encourage you to watch these useful videos.